Welcome back to Ajayi Firearms and Tactics. We're back at Free State shooting semi-automatics with Burt Jones. Okay.
All right, Ajay, what are you working with today?
So today I have the AR brace pistol. It's an AR-15 brace pistol brace. This is the St. Victor platform. With a Holosun red dot. That's some pop-up fronts, pop-up sight. I didn't do anything special to it. I bought it just like this from the gun store, so I haven't done anything additional with it. Just stock. That's it.
Ready to go.
Yep, ready to go.
All right.
So you see the full-size platform.
Clear difference.
Yep. It's same as 5.56. You can shoot it one-handed or shoot it in the shoulder.
Yeah.
Yeah. So. Push all mine left and down.
Showing yours left and down.
Mm-hmm.
You was aiming this center.
Yeah, I was aiming there. So,
all right.
So just probably need to adjust the optics a little bit.
Yep.
All right, Bert. So what do we have here?
This is your run-of-the-mill AR platform. Nothing fancy done to it. It's your basic vector red dot with the 5x magnifier on it. Flashlight on the front. Nothing fancy. Amazon BMC forward grip tape, grip tape to tape up my wire and also give me just a better grip if I want to shorten up my front hand, my support, my support hand. All stock internals, all mil spec, BCM stock, run of the mill sling. Okay. Amazon. Nothing fancy, gets the job done. And one thing I did put a B5 buffer tube in here. Okay. For better recoil.
All right, let's put some rounds down range.
My man. Center mass?
Yep. On you. Good.
So, as we can see, my trigger control is off today. I'm at 25 yards, and I'm putting the red dot, putting my dot here. But obviously, I'm pushing. I'm pushing too hard. I'm right where I need to be. First two shots, so I know my shot is fine. Just pushing the gun too hard. Just pushing it, but same results. Okay.
Good.
Here we go. I brought it back together.
Okay.
I got it back. I'm still dropping.
No, that's trying
to double tap. I'm not letting my dot settle. And I'm hitting the trigger again, and I'm pulling too hard. I'm trying to keep that muzzle down, so I'm pulling too hard, and I'm not properly letting the gun. Like I'm over when it recoils, come back. I have too much pressure, so I'm pulling down on the gun, and I'm just refiring. So I need to learn how to balance this C-clamp. Keep it tight, but not to the point where I'm pulling down on the gun, getting results like that.
All right, so this is going to be my first time shooting Burt's platform. So I like a full size. So now I'm going to use Burt's platform here and try it out. Get a few shots down range.
How about that little recoil, baby? I like that. Yeah,
the brightness is
that's that buffer, sorry.
Yeah,
that's all it takes. I'm all it takes.
Your vertical is real bright. Really bright.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. You can turn it down. Nice work. There it is.
I'll take that.
They on.
Hey, they on.
Oh, they on.
With the brightness.
Nice work.
I definitely like it. I like this.
Like that platform?
I like this platform. I like this setup.
Yep. And she's heavy though.
Yeah. I like it.
She's heavy.
Yeah, that's good. It's a good setup, Bert. I like it. Ready? I know that was all over the place.
You think so? Okay. No, it's not, bro. You're good. What are you talking about?
I felt like it was.
This heart is completely taken over. That's only you ain't got one off. Damn, what you think better than I do?
Yeah, turn that brightness down. You can see.
You can see, yeah. I got that.